Okay, that's our airing schedule. By the way, tomorrow we have a good one live for all of you. Huh? I think it's UP against NU in our schedule tomorrow. Tama ba
That
ako?
is right,
Tama, no?
partner.
So lahat ng ating
Schedule na.
live schedule natin, ang first game on a Saturday and Sunday is always live, and of course you can watch the other games in the course of the week, and you can see that on your schedule. And buong linggo tayo magkakasama for volleyball. I like the grittiness of UST in the second. They almost had it, ano?
That is true. Kaya nga parang frustrated sila after. Kasi almost there. But ako naman, when you look at it, it's mas di hamak. Mas maganda yung nilaro nila dun sa second set. It was really flat. They were really flat on the first one. So, siguro yung momentum na lang ituloy pa nila.
How
this,
hard,
third set.
sorry, but how hard is it to develop that mental toughness for a game like this? Alam mo, every point counts. How hard is it?
That is right. And especially, it's very hard because may mga bago ka dun
That's
sa
a great
loob.
point. That's
Diba?
a great
May mga bago
observation.
kang players. And bago, meaning kasi yung iba dyan, yung hindi masyado nagagamit last year, tapos ngayon, sila na yung nandun sa
agree.
position na yan.
Tapos,
Or yung mga veterano mo, wala na. Bago pa rin yun. Yes, yung bago pa coach.
tapos yung laro high school, iba sa laro sa college, ano?
Oh, definitely.
Una, daming tao. Dalawa, TV.
Aircon.
Aircon, di ba? At saka ito, hindi lang magulang at kapatid ang at kaibigan na nanonood.
Naman yung mga volleyball fans natin.
Dami
Kanina, di ba,
Oo.
in-interview tayo, tapos may tinanong nga sa atin kung bakit naging ganito kasikat ang volleyball. Isa sa mga factors yan talaga yung fans mo. Ang lakas ng suporta.
Kayo ho ang bumuhay nito.
Salamat sa inyong lahat.
Oo.
Iba yung suporta ng volleyball fans natin.
Ito na, ang dalawang coach.
Nakatayo na pareho.
Bigyan ko tayo ng glove pareho.
Hindi naman, siguro outside, magkakaibigan naman sila.
Hindi naman, yung sporting lang. Di ba?
Muway
Ito
tayo.
matyaga ito si Parli, pati yung beach volleyball kanya. Nakita ko to, nagkukol sa beach volleyball. Alas 7 na umaga to sa Loyola Heights. Oh, yung inning. Oh, ang tawag nila.
Oh, and a big violation ball against Ateneo.
Yap. Oh.
Kasi, ang naging mahirap, yung stress at the net, yung net violation na yun, yung dating rules. Nasasanay yung ibang rules natin na parang okay lang tumama sa net. Kasi nga hindi naman siya. It has to interfere kasi with the play.
Kaya pala, oo.
Oo. So may mga ibang players tayo na nasanay. Iba humihiga, di ba? Napapansin natin.
Yes.
Ginagamit pa nga yung net
Si Bea de Leon, sinabihan niya si Sato at yung iba, yung buhok niya. Siguro, nakaka-get in the way yan. Pero ito, magandang strike ito ng Ateneo. Si Bea, when she gets into the air, doesn't need much elevation, ano? But she can fly. Tabla tayo. Nice punch, pero tumama sa atin. Good chase down by Berushel.
That's right, because started with a poor first ball. Rasmo, now libero for
He
UST.
can only do so much in a setter. Ano? You need a good first ball, sabi mo nga. Berushel. Nice strike. Nice strike, Carmela. Delighting in that one.
That's right, Mela Tuna has been really the girl for UST, getting points from the back row at saka yung
Yes.
opponents niya na challenging the blockers of Ateneo.
Laure with the serve. To the other end, Maraginot caught with her hand in the cookie jar. Huli si Sato.
But she wasn't in the best position to take that hit.
Parang alanganin, no?
Yes, alanganin yung mga satot pa lang eh. Hindi sakto doon sa bola. But credit again, Ella De Jesus. Ang ganda bumasa ng bola.
Wow. Deeply that.
Right.
This is not a rap against Ella. And she knows I mean well. Yung size niya perfect sa libero.
Oh.
Diba? I mean, we're talking
Saka yung
about
bilis.
ultra fast spike, ultra fast LT for a happy family. But she seems comfortable with it.
Yun nga eh, di ba kanina pa lang? Kasi makikita mo supposed to be, parang inaasahan na may transition pa yan. Pero si Ella, komportable agad. Oh, another poor first ball from Tigresses.
Alam mo, mali ni Carmela din. She was already thinking of the second move.
Nakatayo pati.
Nakatayo, tapos hindi pa niya naabot yung bola sa setter. Tumakbo na siya for the open hit eh. So, double step, naghalo-halo choreography niya. 5-4 lamang ang Lady Eagles. Lamang in the set count 2-0. Francisco zips it over but still playable for the Lady Eagles. Maraginot. That's long. That's long.
Asking for a check. No go.
Marley, kakaroon na rin ng because Marley is getting deeply involved in the game. Good assistant din yan, good loyal lieutenant din yan. Samantala, Kikiliana, Kim has missed several of those. UST in front, 6-5. Eliza Valdez is here, but apparently she will not play today. And really is,
Parang may pinapahingang injury.
Not burned out, but just had given so much already.
You can see really that Ateneas, with their defense focus on Pam Lastimosa.
Bantay, no? Pero siya... Natusukan ni Pam.
That's right. Adjusting a bit. Now with the net. It's that much to do. Kailangan yung adjustment within the game.
Correct.
Gusto mo talagang maging effective.
As Coach Ronnie Magsanok loves to tell me, life is good, Sir Sam. Sometimes lang po may turbulence. You can actually hear his voice when he says that. In the meantime, UST sneaking out in front, 7-6. There's Eliza Valdez. Chismisan sila ni Ella.
May time pa, ha?
O patapos papaliwanag mo na naman sa akin, tinanggap ko na yan, ano? So talaga, tanggap ko ng lahat yan. Samantala, Francisco, sabi niya, hindi pa patayan, ano naman kayo. Nicely done, nicely done, well done. Cross-court hit. 8-6, Pamela Simosa gives 10 seconds of timeout lead. Basketball, really, no one will stay here. Late naman na sa inyo, Miss Apo. We'll try to listen into the timeout. Sige, direct. Take over.
Unti-unti natin. Balik na pwede nyo lang mag-easy, di ba? Sabay natin mag-warm up. Dalawang shoot, sabay natin mag-warm up. Yun, babawasan natin yung... Okay, kailangan ang taktis natin. Kailangan dito naman natin. Sinaka na tayo sa gitna. Walang ano yung traffic natin. Kaya amin dumipesa yun ang ganito. Ngayon, bumibitaw ka, bumabalik ka naman doon sa depensa. Ano ba may amin lugar mo doon? Okay? Tatlo tayo ha, tatlo sa block. Pat, nag-jump sa likod. Hindi mo sa likod. Wala kayo doon, huwag kayo naka-steady. Okay, patayin. Ang depensa, kailangan tatamaan kayo ng bola. Ha, huwag kayo magtatago. Yan.
Reyna Villamor has this report.
Although hindi pa rin nakuha ng UST Lady Tigers ang panalo in that second set, happy naman si Coach Kung Fu dahil at least nag-improve naman daw yung kanyang koponan. What's good about them is that they're learning to have a positive outlook when it comes to their ball game. Nandun na daw yung tiwala nila sa laro nila, sa sarili nila, at the same time yung sa teammates nila. What's important for them right now is kailangan mag-improve pa rin yung kanilang first ball, yung atake nila at yung floor defense nila. Now with regards to the question of Mosi, tama ka doon, si Tintin, Francisco ay ako ni Mrs. Francisco. Tanong siya ni Mr. Sunny at Miss Teresita Francisco. 16 years old siya as of now and taking up AB journalism. Ngayon sabi niya nga, dream team niya daw dito makapasok sa UST Lady Tigers. At sabi niya nga, habang tumatanda daw siya ay maglalaro pa rin daw siya ng volleyball. Well, she started playing volleyball at the age of 12. 7, Mozi?
Okay.
Yun, para alam naman natin kung sinong mami niya.
Biglang na ano, no? Nagkwentuhang UST kayong dalawa, okay? At narinig naman tayo lahat. Magandang kwente. Makinig tayo, time out, hiningi ng Ateneo behind 5-4. Silip tayo.
Ang palaw ng UST pa ganito, puro pa diagonal. Papunta dito. Huwag kang magtago dito. Dito lang ako, dito lang. Dito lang natin bumabagsak. Takto na ako. Ha? Papunta siya ganyan. Hindi, yung block mo, itlaglag na ng konti. Ha?
Kim, if your triple block, there's a hole in the middle.
Ken! Ito na ho, takto na yung spark sa'yo.
Let's go, let's go. Next one.
nakita mo, kinuha yung pentel pen. Akala ko si Amy magdo-drawing. Pakialamera yan eh.
Pero feeling ko ito drawing smiley face.
Oo, alala mo yung last year, sumayaw siya kasama ni Typhoon din. Baliw din ito eh. 10-6 po ang ating bilang UST. Again, inching forward. Makakakapit
Nice,
kaya.
sir.
Matanganan ba itong lamang nito o hindi? Ahumiro.
Oh, nice save.
Best under the circumstances. Nicely done. Nicely done by UST.
That's right. Now, better movement inside the court.
Access denied.
Diba, yung mas maganda na yung galaw ngayon na UST. Ganyan atake talagang nahuhulugan.
No first.
Pati yung umpisa nitong set na to.
At saka nung first set, parang hindi alam ko saan pupunta. Alam ko kung saan ako pupunta. Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. 11-6.
Lagi ka naman pumupunta dyan. Hindi mo alam. Lagi kang nandyan.
Paborito ako ng ingredients at katipunan ko. Samantala.
Meneses, just with the right power.
That's it.
Let to go.
Isang magandang match ng Shakey's. Robinson's Magnolia. Quiet na yun.
Ito ba yun yung dati nila?
Parang
Original.
gano'n.
Parang banda doon, diba?
Tapos yung yung parking maluwag. Wag chicks.
Francisco still on the line. Ang ganda na nga nilalaro ni Francisco.
Ako pala siya. No?
Yup.
Si Gerald was the basketball player, of course.
Si Coach Gina rin. Francisco.
Oh! How do women do this? Nagtatapikan sa ulo na yung buhok ayos na yun. So how they do it, I will never understand. Ultra fast fight, ultra fast TV for a happy family.
Alam mo lang kasi kung hanggang saan na dapat yung force na gagamitin mo.
Cannot be excessive. Cannot be a rub.
That's right.
Ooh, a Humiro spot. One more time around again. Ooh, go, yeah! Gatigana standing spike. Pero Shawty. Ala nangyari din hindi pinalo. Ito, papaluin. Yes!
Tekiliana once again. Throwing that away. Yung flick of the wrist niya nawawala dito sa laro mo. Nakakailan na sa ganda.
Very shocked yung confidence ni Melanie. Marcus na rin siya, baka pwede siya maghanap ng kapalit. But he's trying to give Gatigana another chance. 37.
Yun naman ang maganda.
If you're Giselle Tan, you want to give it to her again. But she changes her mind. Maraginot.
Oh, that's going to be a long one.
And USD surges in front by 7-14-7.